Saksakallan gunarnavasya Vande Guru Sri Charanarvindam.
The airplanes of the heavenly denizens are bedecked with pearls, gold, and many valuable jewels. The heavenly denizens are compared to clouds in the sky, decorated with occasional flashes of electric lightning. The airplanes described in this verse are different from the airplanes of which we have experience. In the Srimad Bhagwatam and all the Vedic literatures, there are many descriptions of Viman, which means airplanes. On different planets there are different kinds of airplanes. On this gross planet Earth, there are airplanes run by machine, but on other planets the airplanes are run not by machine, but by mantric hymns. They are also used especially for enjoyment by the denizens of the heavenly planets, so that they can go from one planet to another. On other planets, which are called Siddlokas, the denizens can travel from one planet to another without airplanes. The beautiful airplanes from the heavenly planets are compared here to the sky because they fly in the sky. The passengers are compared to the clouds. The beautiful damsels, the wives of the denizens of the heavenly planets, are compared to lightning. In summation, the airplanes with their passengers which came from higher planets to Kailas were very pleasant to look at.